Hello people and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and most epic rule moments scored on driver's dashcam. Today's episode is packed with crazy encounters and hopefully you'll enjoy watching this one. All the clips shared in this video are for educational purposes. And now, without any further ado, let's get this one underway. In this situation here, we have a careless driver who ran a red light and his careless move is about to cost him dearly. Check out what happened next. Driver forgot he had a stop sign at the intersection here, and to make things even worse, his view was partially blocked by another vehicle. Taking all these things into account, this crazy driver was still not thinking about stopping and proceeding with caution at the intersection here.
Oh! Oh, what the hell?
This was a bad idea.
Oh, wow.
Just a little bit.
You know, the first one in 2008.
Looks like the police enforcers don't always have to obey the traffic rules and regulations. This officer right here broke the speed limit and passed the camera over a double solid yellow line.
On the left, on the left. See that?
I don't see it. Going past it. It was like this big. Papa, it was
哦，你们看，什么东西啊？哇，
wow, what is that?
哦，牛气！哎，看好。
Actually hitting it over there, or statistically, that's unlikely. Good thing nature has got your back. Stem bug killers combine powerful active ingredients found in plants like lemongrass and geranium, and scientific late model motorcycles and ATVs.
Oh!
Search for TOS The Mountain of Pure Rock in your app store. Download it and take us with you.
In this situation, driver lost control of his vehicle and crashed. Sharp corners and speeding don't go hand in hand, and in this video we see why. Driver ended up completely off the road, and hopefully he's not injured.
My gosh.
But, okay, that's just my fakey self. I did buy enough fake movies.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw. After all, the purpose of this channel is to make you learn from the mistakes done by drivers and help you avoid repeating them. If you support this type of content, feel free to like the video because it will mean a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.